Delhi Ross Avenue Court has extended Chief Minister Arvind Kejriwal's judicial custody till August 8 in the Delhi excise policy case. Kejriwal appeared via video conferencing from Tihar jail, involved in a CBI liquor scam probe. His plea for additional legal meetings through video conferencing opposed by jail authorities and the Enforcement Directorate is under review. Manipur Chief Minister N. Biren Singh today said he would personally send invitations to the 10 Kuki-Zo legislators to attend the upcoming assembly session. Talking to reporters, Singh said, "I will personally extend the invitation as well as through the assembly. The Kuki-Zo MLAs should join us and we are ready to cooperate." Singh remark comes ahead of the 6th session of the Manipur Legislative Assembly scheduled from July 31st to August 6th. The 10 Kuki MLAs, including 2 ministers, did not attend the last 2 sessions due to the ongoing ethnic violence in the state. Tripura Lok Sabha Member of Parliament Biplab Kumar Deb today saw the Union Civil Aviation Minister intervention in declaring Tripura's Maharaja Bir Bikram Airport MBB as an international airport and to notify the immigration checkposts. While addressing the lower house, Deb told the Speaker of the House, Om Birla, that he wanted to draw the attention of the Union Civil Aviation Minister to the fact that the MBB airport, the lone airport of Tripura, is an important gateway for the people of Northeast. Protests against the recent hike in degree admission fees continue to gain momentum in the Karimganj district. For the 3rd consecutive day, hundreds of students have gathered at the Dharna shed in the Ayukta premises, braving intense heat to voice their discontent. The fee increase, which saw an addition of approximately Rs 3,000 to the previous fee of Rs 4,060, has resulted in a total fee of Rs 7,060. This substantial hike has placed a significant burden on students from poorer sections, making higher education increasingly inaccessible for many. The US State Department has updated its travel advisory for India, placing special focus on the northeastern states. Meghalaya, along with other northeastern states, has been categorized under Level 3 Reconsider Travel due to potential risk associated with ethnic insurgent groups. The advisory highlights concerns about occasional acts of violence committed by insurgent groups in parts of the Northeast. These incidents have included bombings of public transportation and marketplaces. However, the State Department notes there have been no recent reports of violence in Assam, Nagaland, Arunachal Pradesh, Mizoram, Sikkim or Tripura. A deadly rodent-borne hantavirus has killed 4 people in US, prompting health warnings. 7 cases of hantavirus pulmonary syndrome were reported in Arizona this year, with 3 fatalities. Symptoms include fever and severe respiratory issues. Authorities urge preventive measures and careful cleanup to avoid infection. Andy Murray has withdrawn from the tennis singles at the Paris Olympics but will take part in the doubles, the 2-time gold medalist said today. The British former world number 1, who will retire at the end of his 5th games, has still not fully recovered from back surgery he had last month. He believed the men's double, where he's playing with Dan Evans, offers his best chance of another medal.